Hello, my name is Rajat Kalesra and welcome to our YouTube channel. So first of all, thanks a lot. Thank you everyone. So we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Uh, it has been a slow journey, but it has been really happy journey. I started on around 14th of January, and it has been like almost 7 months, and it has been really, really good. So not seven actually, 6.5 months or something like that. But it has been really good. The support that I've got from the community is really, really great. So thanks a lot. And now let's focus on this form that I have. I will attach this form in my uh, comment section also. So basically, I want to experiment with something like this, which is a community-based learning. So what happens is that uh, all the courses that you see on the internet, or even my courses which are available on YouTube, are something that I'm teaching from my side, and you are doing it on your own. Okay, so it's a good way of learning at a start, but the best form of learning is actually when you can ask questions, interact with other team members who are of your same level. You ask them questions, they help you out. When we help out someone else, we get really good, uh, first of all, knowledge as well as satisfaction that okay, we have helped someone else. So that kind of learning I want to develop, and the well, basically an environment where similar to where companies work, right? Creating the pull request, managing the issues, giving updates, everything around that. Okay. So I've created this form. You can go through the form. I'll quickly go through it. Basically, if you have done any one of these courses, which is Ruby on Rails Airbnb clone or Rails API React and Notes application, any one of these videos, if you have done, you can apply for this YouTube community learning program. Otherwise, you won't be able to apply. And there are some steps that I mentioned. Requirements, basically, you should be available at least 5 hours per week. Okay, that's the bare minimum requirement because that much effort we will require. You should have done at least one of my courses, and you should be interested in helping others and learning from others. Okay, you should not be someone who works on their own. Otherwise, this program won't help you. And finally, you should be comfortable with English language. You don't need to be fluent in that, but you should be comfortable with that. Okay. And after all these things, obviously filling out this form does not guarantee that you will be part of this community learning thing, but obviously this is the first step. Okay. And you just have to fill out, like, it will take 3 minutes hardly. Full form email, what series you have watched, what is the professional experience, number of hours you can give, a country, time zone, and you agree that if this course is free, okay, and you are unable to make the commitment that you have mentioned, if you are unable to dedicate that much time, you will get banned, okay, because you have wasted someone else's seat. That's my theory about it. Obviously, if it is paid and then you are wasting it, then I don't have control over that and I cannot say anything to you, okay. And just a question that if you are willing to pay or if you're interested in that or not. I'm not fully sure I will keep it free or paid. That depends upon the number of responses, but uh, we'll see. Okay. And if you have any question, you can definitely ask me. I'll close this form probably in a couple of days. So try to do it quickly. And I'm not fully sure how this is going to go, but definitely I'll make sure that this is your worthwhile. That's all. And thanks again for the 1,000 subscribers. Do uh, nothing actually. Just thanks a lot. Okay. And do, if you are new to this, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Bye bye.